Welcome to the demo of Sales Analysis Executive Dashboard, a reliable solution developed by Perceptive Analytics for company leaders to track performance, assess the pipeline, and guide sales efforts towards target achievement. This dashboard was built for a client in the fintech industry. The dashboard assists C-suite executives to steer deals, targets, and forecasts all in sync. It gives leaders a focused lens to connect sales movement with revenue certainty. Let's get a holistic overview of the dashboard. In the topmost section, the dashboard captures progress on opportunity types, whether renewals or bookings, to reveal target coverage. In the middle section, total revenue is broken down by deal sources, which highlights realization gaps such as unmet targets. And in the final section, we present the opportunities analysis, breaking down pipeline by stage, timeline trends, and win probability to help guide closing efforts. Now that we are accustomed to the dashboard's layout, let's begin with the sales performance summary. We are looking at data as of 31st August 2024. Starting with new bookings, the dashboard shows a figure of $91.68 million, covering 65.5% of the annual target. Across all sections, the timeline is split between actuals and projections. At first glance, it may appear that full year bookings are on track. However, factoring in win probability by switching the project by parameter to opportunity value multiplied by win probability brings the percentage of target met down to 92.1%, signaling a potential risk of falling short. Let's proceed to look at renewals, which in contrast presents a more stable picture. So far, we have secured $31 million till August, implying that we have achieved 70% of the annual goal. Considering the projected renewals ahead, we are on track to meet or even slightly exceed the full year target at 100%, marking this as a reliable bright spot. Let's now move to the middle section, which covers the revenue trends. Here, revenue is further broken down by opportunity type. From this breakdown, we observe that this year bookings contribute the most, with approximately $34 million in the inflow. Looking at the renewals opportunity type, while renewal revenue rises steadily, it accounts for only one-fourth of the total bookings revenue. Past bookings still add value but can no longer be influenced. Therefore, to close the gap, projected bookings must convert on time and renewal contracts should be pushed for faster closure or higher value. To summarize, even though projected renewals are on track to meet their target, new bookings and total revenue still fall short, raising an important question. Are there high value opportunities in the pipeline that can help close the gap? To explore that, we turn to pipeline analysis. Looking at the timeline view, September alone holds $13.68 million in open opportunities, making it a critical month for recovery. Clicking into September reveals that most of the deals are still in early to mid stages, such as defined prospect needs and initial meeting, indicating a clear need to build momentum. Focusing on these stages, the dashboard highlights three key opportunities with strong win potential. We can take action by clicking into them to reach out via Salesforce, prompting the opportunity owner to prioritize closure and secure the win. So, with this dashboard, head scan, forecast revenue with precision, maximize returns by focusing on the right deals, achieve targets through timely insights, and strengthen pipeline visibility and control. We are your data analytics partner. If you need a similar dashboard or any other custom data solution, then get in touch with us today.